Back to CenFlo Diesel. We are here working on Powerstroke stuff. So today what we're going to do, and I apologize for the cars going by, but today we're going to do the Sinister Blue Spring upgrade kit. So this is the factory housing, and I don't know if you guys can see that, but if you look, the gasket is almost submerged into the little valley that holds it for some reason. This is, again, I apologize for all the cars going by, kind of a busy street, but this is the little brass retaining piece, I guess, and then this is the factory spring. This is the one that we'll be replacing. The Sinister kit, as you can see, I'm getting diesel fuel everywhere. The Sinister kit, this is the new Sinister piece, obviously. So this is what you're going to see on the outside of the housing after we get done. It comes with all new hardware, and it's Allen keyed hardware, so very nice. This is the Blue Spring kit, or this is why they call it the Blue Spring kit, because, well, it's got a blue spring. It almost looks purple in person. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but like right there, it almost has like a purple look to it. But anyway, it's a blue spring. Supposed to increase your fuel pressure by, I believe, about 20 psi. I think the factory system is somewhere around 40, 45, and this kit, or this spring, is supposed to bump it to about 60. And then, as you can see, it comes with all new hardware, new gaskets, or O-rings, excuse me. And then this little plastic piece they give you as a replacement. I don't even know exactly what that is, but the old one is on the truck, so it's not really that big a deal. But anyway, they give you all new hardware, new O-rings, the blue spring, obviously. And then I'll flip this over so you guys can see. So as you see, this is actually raised. Again, I apologize for all the traffic. I don't know if you guys can hear that. But as you see, the gasket actually sticks up from the housing. So way better than the factory piece. If you look, the gasket is like down inside the housing. It's like, I don't know if it's flattened over time or if it's just a bad design or what, but if I tilt it up like this, you can't even hardly see the gasket. Whereas if I turn this one up, you can still see the gasket, even though it's blue, but maybe you can see it better like that. But you can see the gasket over the actual plate itself. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to go ahead, take the parts back over there, we're going to put them on the truck. So many cars. So many cars. As soon as I start doing a video, so many cars. Anyway, oh, and I got my unleaded here. I'm going to get all this stuff, go back over to the truck. He also got some other stuff for the truck that we're going to go over as well. He's got an SCT tuner, so we're going to play around with that a little bit. So anyway, I'll see y'all over there.
This is the good thing about being short. You can actually stand in the engine bay.
Yeah, in the engine bay. There you go. Alright, so as y'all can see, we got the air box taken out, and then this is the cold pipe, I believe, that goes across, goes around. So we got that taken out, and then we're using our handy pry bar right here to hold the upper radiator hose out of the way. And we got 4 Torx head screws we're trying to get out at the moment. When I say we, I mean Zach. We're creating new leaks, trying to fix old leaks.
Yeah, you know, that's how we do it. Okay, it doesn't. So, alright, it doesn't.
Perfect. Back here at the truck, working on my buddy Zach's 6.0. You can see Zach hiked up in the engine bay here. Say hi to the people. He's real talkative. Alright, so my buddy Vance, you might remember this truck for those of you that have been around for a little while. He's not here right now, but he left his truck. Oh, wait. Shout out to the Wolf Boys, Wolf's Produce. So, we're gonna vandalize this truck real quick because he's not very observant. So we'll let him roll around at half power. See how he likes that. That's what he gets for not being here. Alright y'all, so as you can see, we got the new Sinister diesel housing put on here. Looks real good. Got the fuel line over here attached. So yeah, we're good there. We were gonna check the filter in this, but as you can see, it is broken. And we put a 1/2-inch drive extension in there and tried to turn it. Not happening. So we'll save that for another day. Now all we got to do is connect this pipe back, and then I think you guys can see right here, and then we got to basically just put the air box back together, and that'd be pretty much it for the blue spraying upgrade. Alright y'all, so we're quickly losing daylight. As you can see, well, not right now, but fixing to see, we got everything put back together, got the air box back in place, got the overflow tube maybe reconnected, little hose I guess. Got the pipe back in, and then obviously I already showed you the Sinister housings back in place. So that was just a quick rundown of the blue spring upgrade kit. It's not a complete how-to, but it's pretty easy. It's definitely something you could do with some basic hand tools. So I just wanted to kind of give you guys that. Then we're going to do an update on his 6.0. For those of you that haven't seen it, I'll just show you guys real quick. It's an 05 6.0. It's got a little over 200,000 miles on it. It's in pretty nice shape, as I've showed in other videos. Seats and everything are real nice. Yeah, it's got 209, 321. I don't know if you can see that from here or not. 209, 321. But yeah, so we're gonna start it. He just got the SCT installed. I think it's plugged in. Yeah, it's plugged in. So he doesn't have it plugged into the side of the monitor for some reason, but that's okay. But yeah, so we're gonna do that. That's the next thing we got going on. He's actually going to get washed up. As you can see, let it prime a couple times, fired right up. No big deal. Walk around here. Oh, and he got a Sinister exhaust tip for the truck, but he didn't put the pipe going out to the side, so you can't really see it. I don't even know if you can hear me right now, it's so loud. Sounds pretty good. But yeah, so we're gonna go. Alright y'all, so he went to go run an errand real quick. I'm just gonna update you guys real quick. I got, if I can get it, sorry about that. Here we go. Okay, so we have our ATS twin fueler controller right here, courtesy of Mr. Bruce Wilson over at After Hours Diesel. So we will be putting that in the 06 sometime this week. We are going to try to get that done, or excuse me, this weekend. I'm going to try to get that done maybe tomorrow, maybe Monday, just depends on what I got going on. But I'm going to try to get that done the next couple days so we can finally do a proper 06 video where it's running right and all that. And also I think what I'm going to do, I believe it's Fleece makes a splitter that you can use instead of that module, but you have to get the truck retuned. So since I have EFI Live on that truck, that's probably what I'm gonna end up doing. I think the splitter is somewhere around 80 bucks, I think. So that's probably what I'm gonna do. I'm probably gonna buy that splitter, and then I'll probably have to get Hardway to send Bruce over the new tuning to run with the splitter instead of the module, so that way I can get the truck retuned and we can roll with it like that. So I just wanted to give you guys an update real quick, and when he comes back, we'll do the truck. Alright y'all, so that's going to do it for this upload. We did have a problem. The truck was only making 15 PSI under wide open throttle. Not really sure what that was about. It was doing it before we took the intake off, so it's not an intake problem. We got a boost leak somewhere, maybe fuel pressure. I've heard fuel pressure can cause low boost as well. So we got some kind of issue. When we get it figured out, I'll let you guys know. Definitely do an update on that. So anyway, that's going to do it for this upload. Don't forget to check me out on Instagram. Give the video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you on the next one. See ya.